Watch me do the simplest dipping manicure at home. This superfine powder and self-leveling liquid will help you achieve any nail goals. Everyone can follow my tutorials step by step to achieve these color block dipping nails in minutes. You don't need to have a liner or brush. A very normal brush will work too. Give your natural or artificial tipped nails a minimum of 2 layers of the base color. Apply your base liquid from one side of the corner to create an angled color block. Ensure you properly press all the glitter onto your nail bed. Then, apply your base liquid on the other side, using a black sheer color for the final beautiful design. Clean up any excess powder and proceed to apply one more layer of base coat and clear powder. Finish with the common process to complete your own dipping nails at home. They won't chip or crack and will last for 4 weeks.